Wait. What? Works on and under? I'm confused. There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world could change its mind. No scars, see you're beautiful. The scars are beautiful. What's up, guys? It's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTuber lesbian. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and finally do this review of the Eversmile kit. This is something I believe that Smile Direct Club sent me. I don't know, but yeah, not even sure what it is. I think it's like a, I don't know, like a travel cleaning kit, but we're gonna check it out right now. So if you guys want to see what the fuck this is, then keep on watching. And if you're new here, hey, what's up? I'm Leslie. Welcome. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, that you've given me a thumbs up, and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload. I am doing a kind of monthly play-by-play of my Smile Direct Club journey, so you're definitely not going to want to miss those. Alright, so like I said, this adorable package, isn't this like little carrying case so cute? It's all iridescent. Anyway, so it came with this card, and it says thank you, and it looks like it is handwritten, which is kind of cool. It says, Leslie, thank you so much for trying Eversmile. If you like our products, we hope you'll give us a review or a shout out on your YouTube channel. We're available at CVS and Amazon, and soon to be in Walmart. We wish you all the best in your aligner journey. Sincerely, Eversmile, with a cute little smiley face. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. This thing is so cute. I just can't get over it. The first thing that I'm seeing in here, which is the biggest thing, is the Eversmile White Foam On The Go Cleaning and Whitening for Clear Aligners and Retainers. This works on or under aligner attachments. Oh, I'll figure it out. It says that it kills 99.999% of unwanted oral bacteria. I would assume that you don't want oral bacteria, so you know. Anyway, mild mint flavor. I hate mint flavor, so I'm gonna give this a chance though. No soaking, rinsing, freshens breath, wear on the go. This is a 30-day supply, and it literally says, say goodbye to aligner funk. If y'all know, first thing in the morning, those things smell so bad. Oh, directions. Step 1. Let me open this first. Oh, look at the before and afters. I not only work for Eversmile, but I'm a customer. Right, so it's in a little pump doohickey. And this is what it says. Apply 1/2 to 1 pump of Eversmile white foam to trays. Step 2, spread the foam evenly to cover and clean all areas. And step 3, place the trays in mouth and spit out the... What? You supposed to do that in public? Maybe in the bathroom. Spit out excess foam to whiten. Whereas directed, the foam will dissipate. Use up to 4 times daily. So basically, this is supposed to whiten your teeth and clean your aligners? If that's really true, that's dope. Moving on to what's next. Oh, yay! So they sent some Chewies, which I'm super stoked for. These things are life. And I'm glad that I have new ones. And these feel like they're like rubber instead of those other ones. I don't even know where they went at this point, so that's cool. Love that.
I love that.
And there's a little one. This is the Aligner Fresh On The Go Aligner and Retainer Cleaning Whitening Spray. So it's basically the same thing, but it's in like a little travel size. You can like throw it in your purse. And it's pretty much the same directions. Remove trays, spray 1 to 2 pumps inside each tray to clean tray, then put them back in your mouth to whiten teeth. So the only difference is this one doesn't say to like spread it all around, but I would assume it's the same thing. Last but not least, we've got a little kit here, like when you go to the dentist to get a toothbrush, being a good patient. And we've got some plackers, micro mint. Ugh, why does everything have to be mint? Dental flossers, which I will tell you, I love these things. I have a big pack that I use anyway. Before this journey, with my teeth being so crowded, I could never use floss by itself. It always just, it was a disaster. And you get a little tube of toothpaste. So I'm going to leave this the way it is. Let's try the actual one on my previous set of aligners. And these bad bitches are dirty. They're done, so I won't be wearing these after this demo. I have switched to my new set, but I wanted to see how it would work on these nasty ass dirty ones. 1 to 2 pumps, right? Let's see. 1, 2. Oh. So they don't give you anything to spread it around with, so I think I'm just gonna use my finger. I think 2 pumps is too much. Like, it's fucking full. Ew, I'm gonna have to spit. I'm just kind of, I don't know, I'm rubbing it on the outside too. It doesn't say to do that, but you would think you would want the whole thing clean. Ugh, that's gonna be a lot of mint. And it doesn't say how long to leave them in as far as the whitening part goes. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. I guess you just wear them like normal. I hate mint. Ooh. Ugh. Okay. You're definitely gonna need to spit. It tastes really gross too. Hold on, let me go spit. Blech. So not ladylike, I know. So you can still see the foam, but I know it says that it goes away. But will I use this? Absolutely. Do I think that they should come out with different flavors than mint? Yes, please, because it's gross. The first time you swallow after you spit it out, it's so gross. So, just a little update on the Eversmile Aligner Cleaner stuff. I've pretty much been using this every day, and as much as I hate the taste of it, it has actually come in really, really handy in cleaning my aligners if I'm lazy and don't want to go soak them in Listerine. So now that I've had the chance to use it for like a month or so, I definitely like it. I like the little purse one too. I don't have that one with me because it's in my purse. As far as so like we just got interrupted because I got a phone call. It's so annoying. Anyway, like I was saying, as far as whitening goes, I haven't seen a difference. Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer, but you know, I have the whitening light and the pens that Smile Direct Club gives you in the beginning anyway, so that's not really a big deal, but it does work. I really like it, and the chewies are my favorite. These chewies are so much better than the ones we get from Smile Direct Club. Like, yeah. Anyway, so that is my final thought about the Eversmile system. If you guys are interested in learning about it, then go to their website and check them out. You know, the things that we got to do for beauty. So I think next time I go somewhere, I'm going to obviously take this with me, but I mean, I like it. I think that it will be really, really helpful, especially because I'm lazy in getting them clean without much effort. So I'll go ahead and give them 2 thumbs up. So Eversmile, thank you again for sending me the kit. Let's just get different flavors, okay? Okay. So if you guys have liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your bell is on so you don't miss an upload. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go like drink some water or something. I don't know. All right, see you in my next one. Bye.